Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the issue in Google Chrome where the reCAPTCHA section is not working on some websites. So whether the reCAPTCHA is not loading correctly or it's loading correctly and you're answering the reCAPTCHA questions like a puzzle or whatever it's asking, but it just keeps failing despite the answers being correct, then how we can fix this is by first coming over to Google Chrome. And once you're inside of here, we need to select these three little dots in the top right here, and we're going to come all the way down to settings and scroll down on the left to about Chrome at the bottom here, and inside of this section you'll have an option to update the Google Chrome browser. Now this isn't actually working for me at the moment as I need to update my operating system, but for you should have an option here to update Google Chrome, so just make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome. And if that doesn't fix the issue, then you need to come over to extensions on the left hand side, and we're just going to go ahead and disable any extensions that you have activated in here just by toggling all of these to off. And once you've toggled all of these extensions to off, then we can try doing the reCAPTCHA and seeing if that fixes the issue. Now if that still doesn't do it, the next thing you'll need to do is head over to the start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. Inside of this window we just need to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit enter, and then type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter, and you can then close out of this window and you'll need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. And once you've restarted your computer, we can check to see if that fixes the issue. Now the last thing we can do if that's still not working is just to come over to these three little dots inside of Google Chrome, and we're going to select new incognito window, and you can try loading up the reCAPTCHA from here, and that should have fixed any issues you're facing with the reCAPTCHA. If you still are experiencing problems, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.